So before I begin, I just wanted to point out my initial thought, literally just now before pressing record, that for stability and for the sake of sanctuary, for the sake of maintaining a sanctuary of authentic novelty for me, myself, and I, it is of utmost importance, indeed a requirement, that I it's going to sound like I'm a chick saying this, but that I take myself out. That I have these moments like this for me and me alone. Like taking myself out on a date. It's mandatory. Because all too often we get caught up in doing things without checking in with self. That self, you, that person, gets lost in the maze of doing and holding everyone up. Therefore, all things sloppy, incomplete, and dissident. Therefore, cognitive dissonance takes full effect. Sacramento River, right on the outskirts of Corning, California. I'm the guy with that truck. And what is it, those balls that tell the future? The black 8-ball that tells the future? I'll be right back. No editing, as in no pausing. Enjoy the space and silence for a brief handful of seconds. Buzzball. That was not an 8-ball. That tells my future. Would have been like so beautiful if it was. And the synchronicity of this video. But after all, show must go on, and another thought I had was, it's a beautiful day. Might want to film some of this outside of the vehicle. So, that's what we're doing now, because I ain't gonna fucking have this open container of liquor in my car. Fuck, I already don't have my... Well, I do actually have my driver's license. Put all that shit in my glove box. Hells yeah, because I know myself. And I realized, with coming back to my first initial thought before pressing record, Me time, as it were, is mandatory, vital, and all the above. And that's why I make these videos, primarily. It's not for the likes. As time goes on, I first started like, oh, I'm going to make a YouTube channel about my experiences of life and on my landscaping business. Going forward, that's not what I'm doing. And by not doing it, it'll unfold to be those two objectives. Because I won't be trying anymore. There is no try, there's only do. Simply because it's lacks authenticity if that's the sole focus. It's just it's simple. The reason I do these are for me. Because it gives me a minute to be in my own headspace in a way where I can reevaluate. Ah, there's the trash can. Haven't been through the tunnel. Let's go through the tunnel. Whee! And I mean, you know I'm going to be testing the audio in the tunnel. Echo. Hey! 5 cents. Or something like it. Oh, hell. Can't not. I really fucking needed this. Hell, let this be the video. This is for one person in mind, really. Because this is a way I like to communicate. Especially to those who communicating to is actually fucking matters. It's human interaction and the real relationships that aren't surface level. Always but a dime, or always but a needle in a haystack, or rather a diamond in a pile of festering coals. A journey in which one must dig through all of the, at least when you're in the West, the grade A red, white, and blue genetically modified heaping pile of conveniently induced bullshit that we are forced to deal with on a daily fucking basis, even before we could remember the remembrance of this life. Yeah. Thank you, George Carlin. I've actually made it. It's actually subconsciously ingrained that when I have to give a shit, I don't say take a shit. No more. Words matter. I don't like saying good morning. That's the next one. I'll just say good day. Good day. I said good day. Programming of the pop culture. Yes. Jalapeno on a stick. I I'm wearing the sombrero. Might as well. Part of this is the truck. Did I see that? Did y'all see the truck? I don't care. To whom this video is made out for, they know the truck. They know that truck. It's not the truck. It's that truck. I long for a truck, Uncle. That's what this video is about. I long for a truck. I would sell that truck to get a truck, but that truck is a 1999 Toyota Tacoma with less than 120,000 miles. It's the fucking bee's knees with rear driving, not four wheel, but still rear driving. Yeah, man. I don't want to resell this. Fuck no, I do not. I just got soil at a place called Kinney's Nursery. Might have heard of it when you were here in these parts. In Tehama County, right before you really enter into Corning, or rather, literally a mile from where I'm at now, Sacramento River crossing. The I-5 is just a jump and a skip and a hop away. Hippity hip hop away. Let's rap about it. When I went to Kinney's Nursery and I got the soil, here we go. I've been going more regularly and becoming a regular. Landscape at home, really, not jobs. When I went, right before I left, the lady who loaded my soil came out, and this isn't the first time she's admired the truck, but she asked right away, it's like, is this hand painted or is it plastered or whatever the hell? And I said, no, it's hand painted. Norm Dillinger, a guy that's well known in Chico, Chico State artist, he did it. It's like, man, it's awesome. It's like, yeah, I know, it's pretty neat, right? I have aircraft thinner or whatever the fuck. I have paint thinner. I have the stuff I need to get rid of the art. All except the raccoons on the mirror, on the front of the mirrors, because they're cool fucking raccoons. Like, why? Because of that very reason. There's an energy that can be like, it can be exhausting. It's a beautiful work of art, all of that, yada yada. But it's like, it's that truck, man. And frankly, when it comes to my business, I'm not naive and young. I'm not so young to this point that I can ignore the fact that appearance is a lot of things. Like, yeah, obviously it's not everything. In fact, it's mostly not everything. However, the first impression to get yourself in the door, or in my case, in the yard, in their yards, it really is a case of appearance is everything to begin. The first impression is what is vital. Like, and it's not so much that I feel as if this truck, or that truck, the truck I'm driving, you get the point, is preventing me from getting clients as so much as, like, because of how they see me in this truck. It's not so much that as much as it is I am preventing me from really putting more effort in getting clients or being more successful at it because the truck looks the way it does. That's a me problem. And that's where I have to like go out on a limb and be selfish and be like, no, fuck it, I'm just gonna... The truck was originally white, you know? I'm just gonna get rid of the paint. And have the truck for the truck. And hell, when I do that, I can get actual, like, my logo and shit on the truck completely. Like, painted on, not just plastered on the side windows. I'm just conflicted with it because I know that, like, there are a few people that, you know, oh man, they love it so much. And then I have to remind myself that it's like, dude, that's like people pleasing. Who cares? Well, it's like for this one lady, it's more selfish, I guess, because it's like, she'll be disappointed. Like, she'll genuinely be disappointed. This really kind, sweet old lady that's all old school and badass because she's been in here, Kenny's, like, fucking partial owner, I'm assuming, and had been doing this shit before I was even a fucking thought. Like, legend. Respect. So much respect I have for that kind of stuff in my heart. You know, like, those are people I look up to. And I don't know this lady at all. It's more of like, you know, I'm slowly becoming a regular, just going there all the time with that truck. And then I'm going to end up being the guy that shows up as a regular, and the reminder that I turned that truck into just another fucking truck. And she'll probably ask, and I'll explain this in a more not drawn out, more civil manner, if you will. But yeah, that's where I'm at the moment. There's a lot more to that, but I just had to get that part out for sure, primarily. Because, you know, as I'm being, there's the reminder looming of, oh, there's so much doing I must do now. Haha, doing, do. Ha, do. But anyhow, peace, love, and cheers. Signing off for now. And remember, that which you're seeking, you've always had it.